Hey everybody, how's everyone doing today on this lovely Thursday? It's afternoon. Just giving y'all a quick update. I haven't put a video out in a couple days. Been really busy. We have auctions and stuff going on, so we've been doing that. But we will be putting videos out on my other channel, me and my husband's channel, Awesome Auctions. So if you're not subscribed to that, go do so. Link will be in the description. But if you're not subscribed to my channel right here, go ahead and do so. I will have new videos coming for you guys. I'll have one coming out tomorrow and also the next couple days. Also tomorrow we possibly are buying a vehicle that we needed. It's not no brand new vehicle. It's just, you'll see. I'll do a video of that. If everything checks out, I'm going to go take a look at the vehicle tomorrow morning. But if everything checks out on it, we're going to go ahead and buy that. So keep an eye out for that. And then also I bought a new camera. So I'll have a video coming out about that. Just kind of like an unboxing and my thoughts on it. Something like that. And then I'll have some new videos coming out on the Sentra. You guys getting some things done, or going to get some things done on the Sentra. So finally. So keep an eye out for that. And if you're watching, you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I'm going to catch you guys the next time because I'm driving and I don't want to keep sitting here holding this or get pulled over. We don't need that. So keep an eye out for new videos coming tomorrow and next few days. Alrighty.